my name is Brian Min, and for those of us who truly enjoy the tactile act of typing, I want to show you a project that is guaranteed to bring back a bit of fun and excitement back to your desktop computing experience.
You know, as a game developer, I spend a lot of time on my computer typing. A lot. So I thought, I want more out of this device that I use every day to connect with everyone that's important in my life. Now, I've been fascinated with vintage typewriters for some time, and I gotta say, they're just beautiful. On the other hand, I've been completely obsessed with modern mechanical keyboards. Mechanical keyboards feature individual switches that will give you the kind of tactile feedback that will make you smile. So I thought if I could somehow merge the two, now that would be fun and beautiful. It all started with an old discarded keyboard in my garage, all the way to modding a very popular off-the-shelf gaming keyboard. Eventually, I built an entirely conceptual keyboard combining elements from a real typewriter with a modern mechanical keyboard. Finally, that prototype resulted in a brand new hybrid mechanical keyboard that is both fun to type on and beautiful to look at. So now I present to you the Qwerkywriter. The Qwerkywriter is an 84-key USB typewriter-inspired mechanical keyboard. It's fun to type on and beautiful to look at. It's even got a place to stand your favorite tablet. The return bar is cosmetic, but I plan on enabling additional functionalities depending upon the success of our crowdfunding, including Bluetooth and wireless capabilities. So this is where I'm in the project. I need to raise enough funds for a final iteration and engineering pass on the production prototype, tooling costs for keycaps in the frame, and the final assembly. This is where you, the backers, come in. We can partner together to see this project come to life.